Today we're doing a little event with him for Fast and Paris. Today we're going to drive with those beautiful cars, the F40 and the beautiful Bugatti here. Raul, can you introduce yourself?
Good morning. I am an ex-rally driver, now a dealer car in Monaco. I am very lucky. I live in this moment, a special moment of my life with far lines. People see you, all full driver, racing driver and passionate people is very fantastic moment for me.
So you were a professional race car driver. Can you explain this to us?
I am racing rally. I win the Italian rally Trofeo Fiat Uno. I drive for Lancia, I drive for Renault and Audi in 91 to 96.
For our American member, what type of car do you have?
My preferred car is F40 and Carrera GT.
So how did you come into the car world?
I start with my business in the car dealer in Monte Carlo. I parked my car in my shop 1 centimeter 1 year to the other. In Monaco the price is very little and I have only 6 cars in my showroom. Your people come in my garage for take the picture, and after 2 friends of mine, a big influencer in Monaco, he make the first video with me, and this explosion, fantastic explosion. We share an incredible passion with all people.
For our viewers, just to explain a little, if you go to Monaco, people wait all week long to see Raul over there. It's absolutely incredible. So how do you live celebrity at your age?
For me, share this passion, live of this passion, as today here with you, with all the other people. This is an incredible moment. It's not the celebrities go down, but the passion is really go up. You have the moment with the biggest star of the sport, automobiles, Sébastien Loeb, Thierry Neuville, François Delecourt. This is really share the passion for me is really incredible. Share the incredible moments.
Thank you so much. We're going to go on a drive around Paris. You're going to see the reaction of people with the F40 and the beautiful Bugatti. What a color too. Raul, thank you so
grazie.
much. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to show you the big video here.
Ciao.
Give me a hug.
Grazie.
Thank you so much. Good morning everybody, I lost my voice. We're in a beautiful Paris for Fast Lane Drive Paris. Yesterday we drove with a beautiful Bugatti and F40. It was absolutely incredible. Right now we are in the Fouquet, one of the most iconic places of Paris. We're going to do a drive with the F40 and a lot of cool cars. I need to come show you. We have my beautiful friend Raul who is here, and honestly the feedback and the time in Paris is just absolutely incredible. So come check on the drive with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I love you all. Thank you.
First meeting with a lot of people who's driving amazing cars, and everyone is very nice. It's easy to talk with a different profile of people, and a lot of French people love driving, love cars. Just today when we drive, we meet some pedestrian people in street. When they look all these cars coming, they all have the smile, they show that they love cars. So we meet together in this passion. It's a very good experience.